Okay, so you have a site on Lovable and you want to connect Viktor to it. This is how you do that. Let me show you. You need to do it through GitHub. So you have to set up a free GitHub account. And then once you do that, you can connect them, and let me show you where you do that. First, you want to pull up one of your projects. So I'm going to actually do this one here. Once you are in your project within Lovable, you want to come up here, go to Settings, go to Get, and do GitHub. Now, if you don't have a connection, you're going to hit Add Connection. I do have an account, so I'm going to hit Connect. It is connected here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over to Viktor. Connected event, new website, build in Lovable to GitHub, and I want you to do edits. Here, and then you just add Viktor, obviously, if you're familiar with Slack channels, and so he is going to read this connection and he's going to let me know when he's connected. So once he's connected, he will be able to do any and all edits, and all you have to do is hit publish on the Lovable side. So I just did it for another client, Rob, who does miniature guitars, so gave him the same link, and it says he's connected and cloned. It's got 28 guitars, 5 posts in the journal waiting for you. Okay, so I'm going to give him some new photos of a guitar that he built and the description. And he does little miniature guitars. It's like the coolest thing ever, out of like gold and diamonds and all this stuff. He's a goldsmith. And then we did some videos for each of those as well. So I need him to get that updated. And then I recorded a story of his on an Audible, on like voice recording. So I'm going to give that to Viktor and have him write a blog out of it. And then he can just publish that there. So let's see what he says about that. All right, he's connected here. So basically, when I'm ready to go, he can start making edits. Now, I've done this in my own site, and just so you're aware of what that looks like. So I have Heartwood, and I'll show you what the chat looks like. So when he does the edits, they look like this over here on the left. And so basically I gave him an article on SEO and AEO and asked him what needed to be fixed. And then he gave me the 4 fixes, and then he went and fixed all of them for me, and they showed up this way. And then the only thing you have to do then is come over here and hit publish, and it will tell you, it'll be, your publish button will be lit that you need to update it. And once you hit publish, you're done. So that's the only thing you have to do now to sync up Viktor with Lovable.